Hey, welcome back to Style Daily. Today I'm packing for a Milan city break in May. This trip is all about striking that perfect balance between the effortless elegance of Brera and the polished glamour of Via Montenapoleone. May in Milan is beautiful, usually around 20 to 23 degrees, so layering is key. But more importantly, Milan is a city that appreciates quality. Tailoring, texture, beautiful shoes, and understated confidence. For this capsule wardrobe, I'm packing pieces that work hard, mix easily, and always look refined. Think crisp cotton shirting, buttery leather, fluid satin, soft cashmere, sharp tailoring, polished loafers, and elegant slingbacks. Because in Milan, it's never about trying too hard. It's about making it look effortless. Let's style some looks for this trip. Day 1 begins with arrival in Milan. A chic stroll through Brera's cobbled streets and sunset aperitivo at the iconic Bar Basso. For travel day, I want comfort with polish. I'm wearing the cost-tailored Pima cotton shirt with the Nili Lotan straight-leg jeans, relaxed, clean and timeless. Layered with the Max Mara trench for that classic Milan arrival energy. The flattered loafers are perfect for walking the cobbled streets of Brera, and the Lie Studio tote carries everything I need. Finished with the Heaven Mayhem watch and MAC burning love on cheeks and a touch on lips in the evening. Comfortable, chic, and immediately polished. Day 2 is all about wandering Brera's galleries and enjoying a stylish lunch on the terrace at Lubar. Today we're leaning into daytime Milanese style. The CHLOÉ-tailored shirt returns, now tucked into the CHLOÉ burgundy leather miniskirt. This contrast is everything. Crisp cotton against supple leather. I'm keeping the flattered loafers for comfort, adding Monica Vinader huggies, the Lie tote, and Nishani Annie fragrance. Elegant, feminine, and quietly expensive. Day 3 is dedicated to shopping along Via Montenapoleone before an elegant dinner at Krakow Galleria. Today is tailoring day. The COS clean-cut tee creates the perfect clean base under the FRANKIE shop Gelso trousers. Over the top, the CHLOÉ cropped wool crepe jacket gives structure and authority. For daytime shopping, I'm starting with loafers, then switching into Saint Laurent Vendôme slingbacks for dinner. Add the Proenza Scula clutch, Monica Vinader earrings, and a soft berry lip. This is quiet luxury at its finest. Day 4 is for a cultured museum day followed by a chic lunch at Giacomo Bistro. A softer look today. The KHAITE cropped cashmere cardigan paired with the Nili Lotan jeans feels luxurious but effortless. Flattered loafers keep it practical for walking, while the Heaven Mayhem watch adds subtle polish. Finished with the Lie tote. This is comfort elevated through fabric. Day 5 is all about a stylish lunch at Langosteria, followed by elegant aperitivo at Armani Bamboo Bar. Today, we're doing satin and tailoring. The Galvan Ischia camisole brings softness and sheen, paired with the FRANKIE shop Gelso trousers for balance. The Max Mara trench comes along for the morning and cooler evening. Saint Laurent slingbacks elongate the silhouette beautifully. Finished with Monica Vinader earrings, the Proenza clutch, and the divine scent of Nishani Annie. This look moves perfectly from lunch to cocktails. Day 6 is for exploring Old Milan before an evening of wine and small plates in Navigli. Tonight is feminine glamour. The Galvan satin camisole returns, now styled with the CHLOÉ burgundy leather skirt, layered with the CHLOÉ cropped jacket for structure. Saint Laurent slingbacks, Proenza clutch, MAC burning love lip, and Nishani Annie fragrance complete the look. Elegant, sensual, timeless. Day 7 ends with a final elegant brunch at Pasticceria Marchesi before heading to the airport in style. The COS clean tee with Nili Lotan jeans, the KHAITE cardigan draped over the shoulders, flattered loafers for comfort, the Lie tote for travel essentials. Finished with the Heaven Mayhem watch, relaxed, chic, and the perfect stylish exit. For beauty in Milan, keep it refined and effortless. Fresh skin, brushed brows, soft blurred berry on lips and cheeks, and Nishani Annie as your signature fragrance. Warm, elegant, and unforgettable. When packing, prioritize great shoes, choosing loafers and slingbacks over bulky trainers, and focus on texture over logos with leather, cashmere, satin, cotton, and wool crepe. Above all, remember the Milan-style secret: the most stylish woman never looks overdone. She looks composed, wears beautiful fabrics, walks confidently, and knows exactly who she is. Thanks for joining me today. I hope we sparked some inspiration. Head to styledaily.shop to shop the outfit links and high street alternative options. If you loved this styling session, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fashion insights. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube for daily style tips and outfit ideas. See you next time.